Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In the previous one, I kind of started work in the basement, started digging holes, but I didn't finish it. Well, I'm gonna finish it in this one, which is something I rarely do, I think. But it's gonna happen, finally. I am gonna finish digging all the holes. I am going to drill all the rebar holes and start preparing for the concrete work. So I will be digging one hole over here. That's the corner I worked in the previous episode. And I'll do another one right around here. That will leave me a total of 7 finished holes, not counting that one. And that should be it for the first concrete pour. And then we'll take it from there. So yeah, let's get digging. So apart from really rough clay, I also have to deal with pieces of bricks inside the whole flooring or down inside the dirt, which is yeah, hard work. Jimmy! Yes, those are protective shoes. I'm wearing them at least for today because it's raining. It's about 10 degrees colder than it was yesterday. And tomorrow I'm most likely back in my working sandals again. But I also bought this. This was recommended to me from actually a few viewers. I'll try that for the mud in the holes or the clay. We'll see how that goes. Today I will be working on that. Look who's here. And yeah, we'll see how much work we'll do here today. I'm a bit exhausted from yesterday. Hopefully I'll be starting over here when I finish that. But yeah, who knows? I'm not making any promises. Some of the more observant viewers might notice that Anna has gained some weight. That's not from cinnamon rolls. That's a different bun. And I actually can't keep her from not doing that sort of work. She says it's lighter work and it's fine. So yeah, let's get digging that. There she is. Not doing any heavy work. Unfortunately, I'm the one doing that. Yeah, I'm working on the last hole and then I'll be hopefully drilling and putting rebar in if I had any rebar. There we go, 7 holes are finished. I was just preparing for the Netflix documentary about all the Roman coins I would find. I found basically an old bottle cap, some broken bottles, 0 cursed amulets. The only thing that's cursed is most likely the basement itself. That's not all bad though. I did get rebar, concrete and some gravel, which is fantastic. That means I can get going with the actual basement build, which is something I've been wanting to do for quite some time. That will happen in the next episode though. In this one, all you need to do is press like, comment down below, send to a friend, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, ciao!